This AI tool helps you build the best interactive demo. Meet Avery, Arcade's AI assistant, designed to make this a reality. Arcade is an interactive demo platform that empowers teams to craft beautiful, engaging demos in minutes. Whether you're in marketing, product development, or sales, Arcade transforms complex product stories into interactive experiences that captivate and convert. Now, with Avery, our AI assistant, we're taking your demo creation to the next level. Avery streamlines the process by assisting you in recording demos. It automatically generates introduction chapters, SEO metadata, and interactive hotspots, tailoring the content to your chosen tone of voice and use case. After recording, Avery enhances your audio to achieve studio quality results effortlessly, removing background noise, eliminating silences, and polishing your recording for clarity and professionalism. Getting started is simple. Use Arcade's Chrome extension or desktop app to capture your screen or product in action. When initiating a recording, select Record with Avery and choose the desired tone of voice to align with your specific use case, ensuring your demo resonates with your target audience. After finishing your recording, Avery will automatically generate intro chapters, SEO metadata, and interactive hotspots. Avery doesn't stop at recording enhancements. It also offers powerful editing features. Translation. Reach a global audience by translating your demos into 32 languages seamlessly. Remove background noise. Ensure your audience focuses on your message, not the distractions, by eliminating background noise from your recordings. These features allow you to create polished, professional demos that resonate with diverse audiences in just minutes. Ready to elevate your demo creation process? Experience the power of Avery with Arcade today. Try it today at arcade.software and transform the way you create product demos.